This right here is Arizona Motorcycle Adventure Tours.
There's some scenery right away. Let's go. Arizona. That's the border wall. That's where we're headed, actually. Mexico. I'm in love with the Tuareg again, damn it. It's like I've taken it to dumb places and will continue to take it dumb places. Wild. Free. Oh, yeah! Now we're BDRing. Another deer. Another deer. Keith almost got taken out by one earlier. Oh, we're in the desert now, boys. That's one word for it. Oh, we got 3 in a row. So Keith really worked hard to talk people out of coming down this earlier. Oh man, this is a section. It just keeps going. One thing that's astounding me, some decent switchbacks though, is the pine trees. Dude, this does not feel like Arizona anymore. Suddenly it feels like Colorado. It's getting chillier up here. It's almost like we've come up 2,000 feet or something. 6,700 right here. Holy shit.
Incredible.
It's incredible. Oh my God. Are you seeing this?
You don't see that every day. This isn't on the BDR.
I heard something about wagon tracks back here.
Honestly, better than my air mattress.
That's really good. Holy highlight of the trip.
Mm.
Yeah.